sitting in a 2002 Nissan Altima with no key. We're going to program one key. We have our U key in the ignition. Our security light is down here. You'll see it right here, it's red. See it right there? Okay, that means the security light is on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and program this key, and I'll show you that the light will flash and go off. Altima 2002. Okay, is this a fixed pin of 5523? You hit yes. Okay, at this point, you'll see the security light is no longer on right there. You take the key out, put the key in, turn it to on, take it out, turn it to on. That should be it. Get the key out, and then we'll wait for the security light to start flashing by itself. There it is, it's starting to flash. Now once the good key is turned, that light will go out and stop flashing. So we're going to turn it on. Lights out. That's it. Simple as that.